Now, you may have noticed we did use the Rocket Man soundtrack behind there. I know that's a favourite of yours, sir. In wake of his departure from Frayne into retirement, can we please invite Mr. Mills up on the stage? Mr. Mills has been a big part of my life and my family from when my sisters graduated here back in 2005. Back then, he was head of middle school, but before that, he was head of RE at a different school. Then came here, became head of middle school, moved to Lumen Christi to become principal, and now he serves as our school principal, departing at the end of the year. We stand here today to give you a token of our appreciation on behalf of everything you've done for us and this school in your time, not only as principal, but in all the other roles you have fulfilled as your college. Once again, can we get up standing and give Mr. Mills a round of applause? Thank you guys and enjoy the Year 12 Act.